Great day, believers. It's your boy Kahlil, MrResiduals Traxon, and today what we're going to talk about is Groovefunnels pricing. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So this is it right here. So it's talking about getting lifetime access today. So depending on what time you're watching this video in 2022, the pricing may be different for you. So right now, the pricing, we have a lifetime offer for $19.97. That's how much Groovefunnels is. It's a one-time payment. You get all 17 Groove apps. You own everything for life. You get lifetime VIP access to GrooveCon and affiliate program. You get the 40% on it. So the GrooveCon, if y'all wondering what that is, that's just a event where people come together, all the affiliates within Groove and all the people making moves in Groove come together, talk about how they're creating successful funnels, how to make your funnels more successful, and doing all those type of things. So GrooveCon is a big major event, and just for getting started before the end of February, you actually get VIP access to the GrooveCon for a lifetime. So that's a big perk of getting it right now. As you can see at the top, it's talking about $2.99 monthly plan. That's what's going to be happening after this month is over. But if you do not have the $19.97 right now, they say it's 3 options right here for you, right? But it's actually 4. But let me go over these ones for you. So first, you could do the Easy Pay. So Easy Pay, as you see, that's $699 times 3 easy monthly payments. So that means you get started with the program. You can start earning some money with your funnels that you create, and after that, be able to pay it off. So let your funnels start giving you the money so that you can make the money to pay for it. And that's probably, if you're really stressing for money, that's one of the best options for you to go right now. So the 2 times plan, so that's called the 2 times pay plan. As you can see over here, it's 2 easy payments of $999. So you could choose to do that, $1,000 right now, $1,000 later, you'll be all good and paid up. The last thing that you could do, which is the 4th plan that I was talking about, is you could just sign up for the free program right now, right? Just sign up for the free program. After you sign for the free program, start building funnels, put something together so you can earn some income. And the funnels that I think that everyone should create is one for Groovefunnels, because right now they're promoting this $19.97 plan. You get 20% commission off that. That means every time you make a sale of this lifetime plan, right now you get $400. But you could also start selling your own products or another affiliate product, like on ClickBank or Groove have their own affiliates that you have in there where you could sell other people programs, and you could generate the income for you to get the lifetime plan. But you definitely need to get this platinum lifetime plan before the 20th of this month, because after that it's gone, and it's going to monthly. So that is the 4 payment options for you with Groove and the Groove's pricing that we have going on. Because after this month, it's going to be $300 a month. And you get so much with it, but this isn't one of those videos. You guys came here just to know how much you're paying for. There you go. But check out my next videos. If y'all want to find out anything else that's going on with Groove, I have my link somewhere inside this page where you can go to my playlist that's telling you everything that's going on with Groove and how to get yourself set up. And you can follow me on those, subscribe to the channel, click the notifications. It'll let you know everything coming up that's dealing with Groove, online marketing, and making your life better, because that's all my channel's about, guys. But thank you for tuning in. Click my link below, get started with Groove today, and let's have a great one, guys.